Welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today's topic again quadratic equation. But already you have come to know about that is implementing Sridharacharya's formula while solving a quadratic equation. Now today few other factors we will discuss. It means today we will discuss about nature or characteristics of quadratic equation or roots, and when roots are given, how to form or how to found the quadratic equation. Okay, all of you know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let two roots be alpha beta. Okay, and another factor is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Right? This root b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, this discriminant is important because all of you know that under square root, if there is any negative value, then the particular roots won't be real, isn't it, for that particular equation? Because all of you know that negative square root is not real, right? Negative, any value cannot be square rooted, right? It is. Okay. Another important point that you have to remember is sum of two roots. Sum of two roots. Say alpha plus beta. Alpha is actually minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So alpha beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of roots is equal to product of roots, that is alpha beta, that is equal to c by a. Okay, so you have come to know about discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. Why this one is important factor? Because this one remains under square root. This one has to be positive for any real roots, right? Next is sum of two roots minus b by a, and product of two roots c by a. Okay. Next, I am writing, there is a question. For what value of k? For what value of k? For what value of k? So this one, three k plus 1 into x square plus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus k will be is equal to 0 have equal roots. Try to understand the question. For what value of k? this equation will have equal roots. Okay. Then this particular discriminant will be a factor. Means when discriminant becomes 0, roots will be equal. Okay. When discriminant becomes 0, roots will be equal. That's right. When roots are equal, discriminant will be 0. That is, b square minus 4ac will be 0. Therefore, this will be, b means, here it will be, here b means 2k plus 1 whole square minus 4 a and c is k, that is equal to 0. Okay. So when roots are equal, d is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. A is this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Right? Now, here it would be 2k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into 3k plus 1 into k is equal to 0. The basic concept, you have to remember one thing, that when two roots are equal, discriminant will be 0, that is b square minus 4ac will be 0. So the main problem is over. The part left is just calculation. Okay. Once the calculation is done, you will find the value of k. Let's see. Now you can write 4k plus 1 whole square minus 4 3k square plus k, or k plus 1 whole square 3k square plus k. K plus 1 whole square is k square plus 2k plus 1. Here it is 3k square minus k. That is equal to 0 by 4, that is 0. Okay. Or we can write 0 is equal to, or we can write 0 is equal to 3k square minus k square minus 2k plus k minus 1, or 0 is equal to 2k square minus k minus 1, or we can write 2k square minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. So after factorization, you can get 2k square minus 2k plus k minus 1, or 2k k minus 1, that is k minus 1 and 2k plus 1. Therefore, value of k is either 1 or minus half. So this will be the answer. So try to understand. Calculation is important here after implementing this concept. The concept is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and then after putting all the values, we have to find the value of k, which is 1 and minus half. Okay, so please do it by your own. This will boost up your confidence. Okay, I am coming back with another problem. Next question is, if two roots of equation 5x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta, form an equation whose roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Okay, so two roots of this equation is alpha and beta. Two roots of this equation, alpha and beta. Okay, all of you know that sum of two roots is equal to minus b by a and product of two roots c by a. Since alpha beta are the roots of 5x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, sum of two roots, that is alpha plus beta is equal to, it will be minus 2 by 5, and product of two roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is minus 3 by 5. All of you know that sum of two root is minus b by a. Here b is 2, so it will be minus 2 by 5, and alpha beta is c by a, that is minus 3 by 5. Okay. Now, the equation whose roots are alpha by beta and beta by alpha will be x square minus sum of two roots into x plus product of two root is equal to 0. That is x square minus sum of two roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. This particular concept have been implemented here. X square minus sum of two roots into x plus product is equal to 0. Let's see. X square minus, it will be alpha square plus beta square into x, it is 1, or x square minus alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta into x plus 1 is equal to 0. After putting the values, it is coming like alpha plus beta is minus 2 by 5 whole square 2 into minus 3 by 5 divided by minus 3 by 5. Okay. After calculation, it will be coming like, or x square minus 4 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Here it is minus 3 by 5 into x plus 1, or x square minus 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into x plus 1, that is x square minus 10 by 3x plus 1, or you can say 3x square plus 10x plus 3, and that will be the answer. It means when two roots given, the equation will be x square minus sum of two roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. It means already we got alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 by 5 and alpha beta is minus 3 by 5. Now the equation becomes x square minus alpha by beta plus beta by alpha into x plus their product. It means x square minus, after calculation it is alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta into x plus 1. All of you know that alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta into x plus 1. After putting the values, and please do the calculation by your own, ultimately the answer is coming like this: 3x square plus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So my dear students, in our next class I will show you this sort of another set of interesting problems. Till then, goodbye.